Welcome to Scotland.
In this season of Dustins Travels, we visit the heart of Scotland. Raid the 1,000-year-old Edinburgh Castle. Get a glimpse of the Scottish crown jewels and stone of destiny used to crown the Scottish and English monarchs of the past. Attend the Fringe Festival, the third largest event in the world behind the Olympics and the World Cup. Dance to the Scottish bagpipes during the Piping Festival. And tour the countryside in search of the elusive Loch Ness Monster. Join us as we drive through the narrow highways of the countryside. Eat haggis, the traditional meal of Scotland, and make our way through the streets in a Scottish kilt. This is Scotland.
Welcome to Scotland.